Okay, first off, if you did get your patent, congratulations. That is an incredible accomplishment. I remember how excited I was when I got my first one. But what I realized is that now that was the easy part, now the hard work begins. Just because you have a great idea, if people don't know about it, they're not going to buy it. And so the real challenge in the journey is marketing and getting attention for your invention. I thought that getting the patent was going to be hard, and then when people find out about it, it's going to be easy. But no, that's what I found out it's not. Maybe for others it is, but for me, I invented the world's easiest picture hanging hardware. I mean, it's a worldwide problem that everyone deals with, and I invented a way to do it quick and easy. And when the people try it, they go, "Oh my gosh, I can't believe this!" But if they don't know about it, they're not going to buy it. I mean, I've been on HSN, sold out in 8 minutes. I've been on the Shopping Channel in Canada. Have big contracts with big framing companies, but still, it's not enough. There's always can do more, and I'm always trying to figure out ways how to get the word out there. So just because you got the patent, it doesn't automatically mean you're gonna have success. I'm working every single day trying to figure out a way to get my product out there. There's so many ways you can do it, but I remember, like, I ordered 1 million pieces, big pallets full of my stuff came in, and I was so proud. But now you got to sell those pieces, I'm doing that, but it's still a struggle. So I want to give people advice and so understand that once the patent is granted, then the real work begins. And if you are thinking about getting a patent, get started on it, go for it. I'll do another video on my journey on getting my first patent, but right now I'm just talking about the real work after it's issued. My number one piece of advice, though, is get started while the patent process is going through. Start talking to people. A lot of people are afraid. First-time inventors, I can't tell anyone about my product. There's NDAs and things like that. But talk to people and reach out to people in the industry. Know your market. Know the big players. Know the people who can help you out. Have all that info in line. So by the time, if you want to wait till your patent is granted for full protection, then go out there and go after them. But you can start right now. As that process is going, and it could be, it could be a year, it could be 2 years, so don't waste that time. Always take advantage of letting people know about your product in any way possible. And if you're creative enough to get a patent, you're creative enough to start getting the word out. So start right now. Good luck, and thank you.